You jump into your car and you turn on your AC, expecting a blast of cool air. But instead, you get a face full of heat. You're sweating, you're frustrated, and you're wondering, what the heck is wrong with my car? Well, today, I'll show you 5 hidden reasons why your car AC blows hot air, and exactly how to fix them. Let's dive in. Welcome back to All About Mechanism. Reason number 1, AC compressor not engaging. Your AC compressor is the heart of your cooling system. If it doesn't turn on, cold air can't flow. Simple as that. It might be a bad AC clutch, low refrigerant, or even a faulty relay. Pop the hood, turn on the AC, and check if the front of the compressor is spinning. If it's not moving, your compressor might need a fix, or worse, a full replacement. And here's the truth. The longer you wait, the more expensive it gets. Even a small delay now could lead to a big repair bill later. Reason number 2, faulty blend door actuator. This one fools a lot of drivers. The blend door actuator controls how hot or cold the air feels inside your car. If it breaks, you can crank the AC to max and still get nothing but hot air. Sometimes you'll hear a clicking or ticking sound behind the dashboard. That's your warning sign. It's like your car is trying to switch temperature but just can't do it. Replacing the actuator isn't super cheap, but it's the only way to get that icy air back. Ignoring it just means more sweating and more frustration every time you drive. Reason number 3, blocked cabin air filter. You wash your cars outside, but what about the air inside? Your cabin air filter catches dust, pollen, leaves, even dead bugs. When it's dirty or clogged, your AC can't breathe, and it starts blowing weak or even hot air. Most filters are under the glove box, super easy to check. If it looks black, dusty, or packed with gunk, it's time for a new one. It costs just a few bucks, takes minutes to swap, and makes a huge difference in airflow. Clean filter equals stronger AC equals cooler rides all summer long. Reason number 4, electrical issues or blown fuse. Sometimes the problem isn't with your AC parts, it's the electricity behind them. A single blown fuse can shut your whole AC system down instantly. Or maybe it's a damaged wire, a loose connector, or corrosion messing with the signals. Pop open the fuse box, find the one labeled AC, and swap it with a good one. If your AC comes back on, bingo, that was it. If not, you might need to trace the wires or visit an electrician. Don't rush into replacing parts and test the cheap stuff first. $1 fuse can save you from a $500 repair bill. Reason number 5, bad expansion valve or orifice tube. This little part controls how much refrigerant enters your evaporator. If it's clogged, dirty, or stuck, your AC system gets out of balance. Too much pressure? Not enough cooling. Too little flow? Warm air again. And when that pressure balance is off, your AC can feel like a hairdryer. It's hard to spot without a proper pressure gauge test and AC system check. Most mechanics use special tools to diagnose it. It's not a DIY job for most people. But if you've checked everything else and you're still sweating buckets, this tiny valve might be the silent troublemaker you've missed. So now you know. It's not always just low refrigerant. Your AC blowing hot air could be something deeper and deadly to ignore. Check your compressor, replace that filter. Don't let a $10 part turn into a $1,000 repair. And if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more real car fixes.